What can we do for you today?
Hi. Yes, I'm having a problem with my car, and it doesn't seem to run right. I mean, every time I start it up, the engine runs for a minute or so, sputters like it isn't getting enough gas, and then dies.
Okay, let's open up the hood.
Okay.
Let's take a look. Okay, start her up. Okay, shut her off.
So,
Let me look at the book here.
look.
Sounds like a possible fuel line, dirty carburetor, bad alternator, or even a weak battery.
So which one is it?
Difficult to say. Let me try this. All right. You need to talk to the mechanic.
The mechanic? So who are you?
Well, I'm the assistant. I've only been here on the job for 2 days.
So why didn't you tell me that in the first place? I mean, I wouldn't have wasted all this time.
You didn't ask.
Oh. Okay, how much is it going to cost?
Difficult to say.
Well, that's what you said about the last thing.
Are you local or out of town?
Well, I'm just passing through. This is the only place for miles.
Yeah, that's right.
Man, can't you see my license plate?
Sure did. Okay, the out of town rate. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's a fuel line. That would be 100. No, that's a local rate.
Oh.
Here, 200 for the pre-screening check, 150 for parts,
Oh.
plus or minus 100,
Oh.
and $75 an hour for labor. Yeah, today is a holiday, so labor is actually $50 more per hour.
Huh? Those prices are outrageous. And what holiday is today?
Oh, it's the local pumpkin festival.
Oh, come on. I can't believe this. Of all my luck, my car breaks down in this out-of-the-way town,
That's
and it'll
right.
cost me an arm and a leg to get my car fixed.
We'll take care of you. Just bring that car back on Tuesday. So my
Tuesday?
car mechanic, take a look at it.
Why not today? It's only 11 a.m.
We close at 11:30 on holidays, and we're closed tomorrow and Sunday, and we're even closed the following day as well.
I can't wait that long. I need my car repaired now.
Well, next week is the best we can do, but you can talk to Mike at the Pumpkin Festival.
Oh,
This town will grow on you.
oh man.